naman siya. Nagkita kami ni former President Rodrigo Duterte sa loob. Nandoon pa rin siya sa loob ng hospital. So, hindi pa siguro siya all clear. Base siguro sa assessments ng doctors niya. He's in very good spirits. Meron siyang, tinanong ko siya kung kamusta yung pagkain. Sabi niya meron namang rice. And then, tinanong ko siya kung paano yung ulam. Sabi niya, half-half daw. So, hindi ko alam kung ano ibig sabihin ng half-half. Hiniling ko ba? Half-half.
Bisaya lang tayo, Bisaya.
And half grade, half meat.
Kagani Bisaya.
Yes.
Regarding the legal, his legal team and his decision na sabi ni Attorney Roque, he has to decide on. Has he made that decision?
Very very general lang ang pwede ko i-discuss about the legal team and the legal strategies and kung anong mga ways forward legally. Unang-una, his team is headed by Attorney Nicholas Kaufman. And then meron pa akong mga kakausapin ng mga lawyers, no? Meron pang darating na isang abogado. I-interview ko siya para sumali sa team. And then once maayos na yung team for ICC, mag-withdraw si Attorney Medialdea kasi meron lang limited na mga slots for lawyers, and we want all the lawyers on board na merong ICC experience.
So, ang ibig sabihin po ay pinili po ng ni Pangulong Duterte na legal aid. Kumbaga the court from the ICC
For own money.
for the councils. Kasi parang dalawa raw po 'yun. Either the court pays for the councils or it's the
Own money.
president. Own money.
Sa on that matter, no, it's best if you ask Nicholas Kaufman kung ano yung direction nila, since siya yung lawyer and si former President Rodrigo Duterte yung client. So I am just here to assist President Duterte sa pag-create ng legal team, kasi every time na pumapasok ako doon, pinapauwi na niya talaga ako.
Yung
sa
pa rin na
Pilipinas.
So, ma'am, ano po sinabi niyo sa kanya dahil pinapauwi na po kayo?
Paulit-ulit kasi siya sa sinasabi niya na, what are you doing here? Umuwi ka na ng Pilipinas. So, ayun, inaayos ko lang yung legal team. Meron na akong i-interviewin na isa pang lawyer.
Si Attorney Harry Roque po, hindi po kasama.
So far, hindi siya kasama sa legal team. Si
Ma'am,
Attorney
maybe
Harry
bakit
Roque.
So, dalawa pa lang po. Yung potential na kakausapin pa lang, if ever.
Meron na kaming listahan, pero yung isa kasi darating siya dito.
So, puro foreign po.
Foreign po yun.
Yes, oo.
Ilan po kaya?
Kung ilan, you may have to ask Attorney Kaufman.
Bakit po hindi kasama si Attorney Roque?
Well, because hindi pa kasi na-establish kung ano yung basis ng pag-stay niya dito sa Netherlands, and we don't want complications ba. Gusto namin nakatutok talaga yung lawyers doon sa kaso, and right now I heard applying for asylum, and he publicly announced that already. No? So we want him to focus on his asylum. And then
Although
we
yun
want
po
our lawyers to focus on the case.
Yun po yung ginagamit yung basis din, no, to be able to get that asylum, sabi po niya.
So he can defend.
So he can defend the former president.
Well, that is a matter that he has to discuss with former President Duterte, no? But right now, he's not nominated as a lawyer.
Nag-sink in na po ba sa dating Pangulo na nandito na talaga siya sa ICC? Pasensya na po dahil before, di ba sinasabi po niya, sipain ko pa yung ICC, hindi talaga ako papahuli ng buhay.
Nagsisali pa yan.
Sabi niya, wala din naman daw siyang ginagawa sa labas kasi hindi pa naman daw siya mayor. So might as well tumiram daw muna siya sa loob.
So may na po siya, parang routine na po siya.
So he can still make it,
Is he
medyo a joke.
enjoying?
Oh, I have to tell you, he's charming.
Paano po? po? Paano po?
Ano pa? Ano?
marami na po siya nakakausap?
Alam ko.
Marami na po siya nakakausap na ibang detainee.
Like, ano po na-witness nyo?
He's very friendly with people inside. So, mayroon na silang banter eh. So,
Ma'am, nakita niyo mismo
may
yung loob ng
exchange
kanyang
na sila. No, hindi kami allowed. Doon lang kami sa visitors center. So, sabi niya, ano daw, wala din naman siyang ginagawa pa. Because he's at the moment retired, wala pang election, so hindi pa siya mayor, so he might as well just stay inside. And then he said that he doesn't regret anything that he did sa pagtatrabaho niya para sa bayan. At nakita naman daw ng bayan kung ano yung resulta ng kanyang serbisyo para sa bayan.
VP, how's your visitation? Do you have to apply every single time you
Yes.
apply?
Ganyan naman yung
You
iba yung
come?
interview.
Matagal ba yung, I mean, ano yung proseso?
It's online. It's online. Every time na kailangan ko pumunta doon para magpaabot ng mensahe sa kanya, pinapasok ko siya online, sinasubmit ko, and then nagre-respond sila. And then siya yung nagsasabi yes or no. So, I tried to limit kung sino yung pwedeng pumasok sa kanya. But apparently, ang rules nila dito ay yung detainee ang magsasabi ng yes or no. You apply, and then he'll say yes or no.
Kasi Attorney Harry said you wanted sana a daily.
Yes. So,
Ano pong nangyari?
nag-apply. Ang application ko last time was Friday until Tuesday. Ngayon, so I was given Tuesday, and then mag-submit na naman ako ng bago.
So Tuesday na naman until yung panibagong...
Well, right now, I'm thinking kung hanggang kailan ako nandito, yun na rin yung i-apply ko para hindi na rin sila mabombard ng everyday na submission. Yeah, so kanina doon while we were talking, biglang may dumating na letter. So apparently pwede pa lang magpadala ng letter sa loob. So marami sa ating mga kababayan ang gusto magpaabot sa kanya ng mensahe nila. Tinanong ko doon sa loob paanong nangyari na nakatanggap siya ng sulat galing sa isang couple, Dutch couple dito sa The Hague. So i-address nyo lang daw sa kanila. Babasahin nila yung sulat ninyo kapag nakita nila na walang problema sa sulat.
Nothing incriminating.
Oo, sila yung mag-check kung ano yung pwede at hindi. At kung sinasabi nila sa loob na pwede, ibibigay nila doon sa kanya.
Kailan,
Ma'am,
Bibi?
meron na po bang mga iba pang family members na pupunta po dito para bumibisita din po ang dating Pangulo?
Pinag-usapan namin sa loob ni Pangulong Duterte. Sabi niya kasi wag na papuntahin dito yung mga kapatid ko. Kasi unmarried si President Duterte. So he's single. So ang next of kin niya is kaming mga anak. At sabi niya na wag na pumunta dito dahil wala naman daw silang gagawin dito unless gusto daw nilang sumama doon sa
So, Bibi,
So susundin niyo po yun?
sumama.
Hindi magtanong. Ay, pwede mo tanong, Bibi.
Yes, ma'am. Opo.
Ano sa ka makaano? Dili sa ka or muli na kag Pilipinas?
Ako lang sang isahon ang mga abogado, i-meeting na ko sila. Magsabot mi kung unsay buhaton. Pagkahuman, kinahanglan ako muuli sa
Okay, salamat po.
Pilipinas.
Madami po nagtatanong ng mga Pilipino kung pwede daw po makapagpadala ng pagkain sa loob.
Yan ang hindi ko natanong sa loob.
Murag di man pwede
Baka
siguro.
pwede nilang tanungin, pero top of mind answer ko, ma'am, baka hindi yan sila pumayag kasi it's a security risk. They will answer for whatever will happen to the former president inside the detention.
Tuloy po yung pagiging mayor ni
Oh, yes, yes.
Uy, dili
He's
pwede na
looking forward actually na
Pinagtira ni Ronald na
mayor. Kaya nga sabi niya kanina sabi niya, hindi pa naman ako mayor, so dito lang muna ako.
So hindi po yun maapektuhan yung kanyang candidacy of him being here?
So, bagay lagi ko.
Oh, he's only an accused, and an accused is presumed innocent until proven guilty. So,
Yes.
masyado pa tayong malayo doon sa he's a convict.
So the target is to bring him home before the elections.
The target is to bring him home today, pero as we all know, it takes a lot of paperwork.
Pero kadalang BP, ma-after ba siya September sayang last. Dili na, uy.
Wala.
Nang
Dili pa
ampugid me.
kumakatubag anak
Hindi ka
karon.
mga ampug yun.
Dili mo ganahan nga dinhi sa siya sa inyo ha.
Hindi mo ka taga taga Sweden.
At taga Sweden ka sa pabalhinon sa natos.
Pwede ko sa Sweden yan. Di ba ko siya? Pwede.
So, legal man nila pag alis, kita ko sa live.
Yes ma'am.
Malaki ko sa Sweden na.
That is true.
Ba't na kasama baby?
I know the guy from 2 o'clock AM here until they put him in the plane.
Oo.
It's illegal, ma'am.
Tinuod na siya ma'am.
So, why we
Kidnap siya ma'am.
why we cannot do the ICC that it's illegal in the Article 59 of accused ICC Rome Statute.
Opo, tinuod na
So,
siya
man
ma'am.
na, dili man na nila ikuhan.
We will bring that up in the proper time.
Natay video, ma'am, gi-confile na mo.
Oy, salamat. Salamat. Kahit kinahanglan po na mamo, kinahanglan na sa mga abogado.
Ma'am, linawin ko lang po yung tungkol dun sa ano, yung pagpunta-punta po niya sa clinic. Yung minomonitor po on a daily basis po ba, regularly, yung kanyang health? Kailangan po ba niyang lumipat sa clinic to be able to do that? Or pupuntahan po siya sa sarili niyang cell?
Nandoon siya sa hospital part ng detention facility. So, lahat sila doon, detainee patient.
So meron po
Patient detainee.
So nandun pa po muna siya, hindi yung talagang nakaseparate siya.
Nakarating po sa kanya yung medicine sa pinadala.
Binigyan ng copy ng records ang mga doctors doon sa loob. A note of the list of medicines and alam naman ng mga doctors yun sa loob.
Si Esmeralda po ay kamusta naman po?
Hindi ko pa alam eh. Kailangan ko siya puntahan ngayon sa hospital. So pagkatapos natin dito ngayon,
Sige.
pupuntahan ko siya.
Sorry, one last. Gusto ko lang po malinawan. Yung very friendly siya sa loob. Yung mga guards, wardens, or yung mga kapwa detainee po ba yung nacho-charm niya?
Hindi ata sila nakikita ng mga kapwa detainee niya kasi may kanya-kanya silang kwarto. So isang detainee lang per room. Yun ang pagkakaalam ko ha. Hindi ko lang alam if they see each other somewhere sa hallway or sa ewan ko saan sila kumakain. Yun ang hindi ko alam.
So the place where he is specifically is still like a cell pero nasa hospital part? Or is it a clinic? Or can you just describe it, ma'am?
Hindi ko nakita ang kanyang
Pero yung sinabi po niya
quarters.
sa inyo na parang clinic part po ba yun? Hospital part? Or yung pinakikita po sa ICC website na cell ng bawat detainee?
Ang sinabi niya sa akin,
Mahal ka lang dito sa
ang sinabi niya sa akin, para akong nasa hotel except that hindi
Yes!
Except that.
hindi ako nakalabas.
Sweden, hadingan na po.
Ma'am, huwag lang natin sabayan para marinig po.
Nagsikin na po sa kanya yung nangyari. Na, kasi pag uwi niya po from Hong Kong, parang bilis po ng lahat ng mga bagay-bagay eh.
Alam naman niya, oo, sinabi naman niya na haharapin ko ito. And I do not regret. I do not regret anything that I did sa aking paglilingkod sa bayan.
Ano daw
clarify
pinaka-miss
po.
niya? Ano daw pinaka-namimiss niya?
Hindi ko...
Sinabi naman niya kay ES din, ano?
Sa girlfriend ata eh.
Grabe.
To go.
Okay.
Basta para sa 23 po kasi parang birthday rally niya rin po yun. Ano po ba?
So 23.
Saka birthday po niya. Birthday.
Yes, sanabi ko sa kanya, aware na siya sa 23. And then, nagsabi siya na nagpapasalamat siya sa suporta na pinapakita ng mga kababayan. And ang isang concern lang niya is ayaw niya daw na makadisrupt tayo dito sa The Hague. So, isiguraduhin daw natin na kung ano man yung gagawin natin ay naka-coordinate daw sa LGU o sa police man kung saan daw dapat mag-coordinate kasi ayaw niya daw na maka-disrupt tayo dito.
Po ma'am, sa dahil po ba na Philippines?
Yan ang hindi ko alam pero alam ng lahat ng ating mga parallel groups at lahat ng mga individuals na kababayan natin. They can contact Jaira Madrona sa Office of the Vice President. She's the focal for March 20.
Para sa amin lang yung solid.
Pinabanggit mo ba niya?
Madam, kasama po sa GIL Amsterdam po ang prayer namin para kay Tatay Dick.
Thank you, JIL.
Nabanggit po ba niya yung laman nung letter po from the Dutch?
Oh, yeah. Pinabasa niya kasi sa akin. Kasi nagulat siya kung ano daw yon. Napakaganda kasi nung handwriting. Kasi napaisip siya. Tapos sabi ko, nagpaalam ako doon sa tao kung pwede ako ang humawak at magbasa. So, binasa ko sa kanya. They were saying they were appalled of the detention and the kidnapping. And their saint daw, dito sa Netherlands, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ng saint, was incarcerated as well in this very prison in 1932 and suffered the same fate as, suffered the same injustice as former President Rodrigo Duterte. And he did a Latin prayer. I think it was Peter. The Gospel of Peter. Pietro is Peter, no?
Yes.
And then sabi niya that may you be guided by the Lord Jesus Christ.
May reaction lang po kayo sa mga developments back home. Up to you
Ano
kung
ba
may-
developments back home? Update niyo muna ako
Yung
kasi
mga
hindi ko alam kung ano nangyayari doon eh.
yung mga lista-lista, yung mga pangapangalan. Kung gusto niyo lang po
Lista ng
sumagot.
utang, lista na
Yung mga kasama daw nila Piatos daw. Opo. Yung mga Miggy Mango.
yung sa impeachment ba? Ito ba yung walang kamatayang confidential funds ng na atake nila?
Kung may-
Well, alam mo, hindi ko masagot yan eh because as we speak, hindi namin alam how they handle the chain of evidence talaga eh. Hindi natin alam kung yan ba nga talaga yung sinamit ng Office of the Vice President. At this point, hindi na natin alam.
DP, hindi po ba nagrereklamo ngayon si former President Duterte? Kasi ang ginawa po ngayon dito, nararamdaman din po ba niya yung ginawa doon sa loob? Or comfortable po ba siya doon sa loob?
Comfortable.
Actually, mainit doon kasi inubad na
Mainit talaga dito.
controlled temperature sa loob kasi medyo nainitan ako at hinubad ko yung jacket ko.
Comfortable po siya.
Salamat po.
Thank you. Okay.
Salamat. Sir, can you tell us what happened with Attorney Medialdea, if you have info?
I don't think it's appropriate for me to go into details concerning Attorney Ping Bong's condition at the moment. It's an issue of medical privacy.
All right. Have you successfully...
The former president, how is he?
Former president is in very good spirits, looking forward to conducting his defense.
Is he being monitored daily at the clinic?
He's being taken care of by the appropriate services.
Do you have like an initial plan on what next steps to take legally, sir?
The first stage, the former president is composing his defense team. That will take a week, and then we'll see where we move from there.
How many are you in the team, sir, if you may tell
At the
us?
present moment in time, I've just been appointed. It's my job, and I'm privileged to carry this job out to compose a team for him. That will obviously be done in complete consultation with him and all those around him.
All right.
Who else will compose the defense team?
And I'm ability to comment on it at the moment.
Can we say that, have you been...
I was formally appointed as of yesterday.
Right, but has the ICC approved that?
By the ICC.
Yeah.
I believe that something might be introduced into the court system today.
All right, so what do we expect from here on, sir?
A strong defense.
Sir, are you confident that you will be able to bring back home former President Duterte?
I certainly hope so.
Do you have any petitions to file prior to the confirmation of charges hearing on September 23?
There will be petitions, obviously. Once again, it's not for me to comment on the defense strategy at this moment in time.
According to the rules, there's a process called disclosure of evidence. Has that started yet?
That should start once council's appointed, and as I said, it's early days yet.
All right, sir. Where are you headed now, sir? You've met with the Vice President Sara Duterte as well.
Indeed, I have. Yes.
What was like any message that the first message that the president gave to you?
That he's in good spirits and looking forward to conducting his defense.
How often are you able to visit the former President?
I'm available to visit the former president as long as I'm here, as long as I'm allowed to do so. I have promised him that I will come every day that I'm in The Hague.
Do you have any information if the request of the Vice President to visit his father has already been approved?
I'm not at liberty to discuss matters like that.
Sir, finally, yesterday during a press conference by Attorney Harry Roque, he said that the president should decide on whether to take legal aid from the court or fund it himself. Would you know what the
Once
decision
again,
is?
I'm not at liberty to discuss matters of funding and how the defense will be composed.
All right, sir.
Thank you so
So for now, we can say that you are the only confirmed legal counsel for the ICC case.
Once again, that's subject to any publications that might be on the ICC website and the decision of the registry. Hopefully that will be completed by
Is
today.
there any reason why the president hasn't signed yet the nomination for Attorney Harry Roque and Attorney Medialdea?
As I told you, first things first. There is a need, first of all, for senior counsel to be appointed. A counsel who's experienced in matters at the ICC, and it's that counsel's job to compose the team. It's early days yet. No one is entitled to draw any conclusion whatsoever from what has been or hasn't been done with respect to nominations at this point in time.
All right. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
All right.
All the best.
Cases have you handled so far for the ICC?
Careful.
So sorry.
I've been involved in quite a few cases at the ICC.
Do you have an estimate how many?
I can't estimate, but I've known quite a few people.
But you're very confident that the former president will be acquitted.
I'm very confident of the strongest defense possible, and I'm very confident that he will be acquitted, indeed, even at the earliest stage possible.
Can we
You won't wait for the September 23 confirmation of charges hearing anymore?
We will be filing all necessary applications in due course. I'm not prepared to comment on the defense strategy at this moment in time. Okay? Thank you very much.
Can you say you have over 10 cases in the ICC?
10 cases is a bit generous. I don't think anyone's had 10 cases in this institution. I don't think this institution's even had a lawyer who's represented 10 people.
3?
I've represented more than 3 people in the course.
More than 3. Okay.
Any question the form of arrest, Article 59 of the Rome Statute?
Once again.
The Article 59 of the Rome Statute, Attorney Harry Roque
Yes,
was
well, on that
referring to
point, he was completely denied all his rights in the Philippines. That will obviously be a major argument in the course of his defense.
Gaano kahalaga ito?
Napakahalaga po kasi ako po ang presidente ng PDP Laban at nasa kalagitnaan po ng kampanya ang ating bansa. Political ally po ako. Ito pong ating Pangulo ay chairman ng isang political party. So siguro po nararapat lamang po na makausap ko yung aking chairman. Opo.
So wala pang balita kung anong sagot doon.
Malungkot po, lagi po ako dito noong Biyernes pa. Ay, wala pa po hanggang ngayon. Ngayon po sigurado wala pa kasi yung mukha ni ES mukhang malungkot.
What's the next step, Senator? Anong
Bukas po
balak
uli.
nyo?
Bukas po uli. Umaasa naman po ako na itong mga naniniwala naman daw sila sa human rights. Hindi tingnan natin.
Gaano katagal po kayo dito? Kayo po ay senator, sitting senator po.
Ay, break po kami. Break po ngayon. Ngayon po, siguro po ang tamang tanong, paano yung kampanya? Kaya po tayo nandito. Tatanong po tayo.
Pero right
Mahal
now,
na Pangulong Duterte kung ano po yung strategy. Siyempre, sa po lahat ito.
pero right
Alam
now,
nyo, si Mayor, kaya ng isip niya to. Ang tanong natin, kaya ba ng katawan niya? Yun ang tanong.
so ngayon, ang may tentative ano kayo kung hanggang anong panahon kayo dito? O wala pa, malabo lahat, up in the air.
Siguro mga 1 week pa. Hanggang birthday niya. Hindi pa naman kami, matagal pa naman ang resume. Kampanya, ang iniisip ko yung kampanya.
How is
Kampanya, yung session, tagal pa yun.
how is this affecting yung kampanya?
Well, sa usapin ng presence ni Mayor, sapol na sapol kami, di ba? Yun nga, itatanong ko kay Mayor, paano ngayon yun? Kasi siya ang #1 crowd drawer namin. Pag sinabi mo andyan si Presidente, talagang ang tao dumadating kahit hindi bayad. Yung paano ngayon yan? Wala naman kaming pera. Ang PDP, wala naman kaming pera. Ako, teka, isulat natin. Hindi ko tatanggihan yan, pero isulat natin. Sige. German. Van Houten. Dito lang.
Duterte, send him. Duterte pa rin. Duterte.